Hey YouTube, this is Ralph. I'm starting a new channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of strip downs of tech, gadgets, retro stuff, maybe a bit of gaming, all from my garage here with the not exactly technological advanced S7 Edge phone, but for the time being I'm going to see what I can do from this. But my first video, I'm going to show you my very first handheld game console, which is the old Merlin from Palitoy. And this thing used to, yeah, it's an absolute pain in the backside to work, made out of all the best quality plastics that you could possibly imagine. Sturdy on-off switch, which I don't think works anymore. The thing has got touch buttons on the front, all down here, and a speaker at the top. Looks like an old phone, but obviously isn't. There's a few different games on the back you can see there. You've got 3 in a row. Music Machine, Echo. I think it's like a Simon sort of game. All made by Palitoy. I'm going to see if I can get this thing working. If not, this might be one of my upcoming projects to try and get it working again. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to see if there's some batteries in this thing. Right, back off. There's some batteries in, see what's what. I think 6 AA's. As I think it says on the box. HP7 batteries. It's either a 70s or 80s thing. Let's have a look. Obviously it's a 9-volt gaming. I think I had this when I was about, what, 8, 7 or something. Back on and let's see it go. And I guess the batteries are on. We have life at least. There's some tapping noises from it. I'll turn off and on again. Their old adage. Either flat batteries or it simply just doesn't want to work. Right, let's try another option, which will be the power supply. But I haven't got a power supply which fits in there because that's from the bloody 70s. But let's see what I can do. Hang on a second. Well, I think that's what somebody calls a jump cut, but it's a little bit primitive. But I've got 9 volts running to this from a transformer. Let's see what happens, or if it just sets fire in my hand. There's definitely 9 volts going in. No. I think the life we saw earlier may have gone back to sleep. Absolutely nothing. There's maybe a loose wire in there, maybe not. Don't know. But that is going to be one of my projects then. Okay. The old Merlin by Palitoy. It's going to be a teardown video then. 2 screws on the back, 1 and 2. I remember I had one of these as a kid and I wanted the LEDs out of this for a different project, which never really happened, but ended up destroying my original, which this isn't mine. Bought on the internet, on eBay, quite a few years ago now. Full instructions, things you can play, secret numbers, Echo, Magic Square. If I want my own proper transformer, it'll cost me £3. Shame I haven't got, yeah, £3. But I'm sure the Palitoy in Leicester at Colville might not be there, or I don't know. Yeah, that is officially now my first project. So, box this away. Other projects I've got. Yes, that's definitely broken now. This little beauty, Sharp IQ 7200. Yeah, replace both batteries. Battery warning. And this with the electronic organizer was the thing to have, which I had absolutely no idea how to work properly. Calculator, got secret stuff on it. We'll have a go at that one, I think. There's also my first Sony Walkman, and this is another one that's bought from eBay. But is in really good condition, to be honest. I wonder if any of these crap batteries work. It takes double A's. This could be dangerous. Ooh. It goes round. This is actually working. That's a surprise. And the radio. Yeah. That'll be a clean down. Maybe change the belt on that one, I think. Yeah. I've also been on Freegal, getting lots of goodies, donations from people. And the first one was from Joy. She donated this little beauty here. I have no idea. Type Star 80. Absolutely stunningly mint. Rosie, you put one level on there, one line text on there, and it's just very basic word processor. Right. Another beauty we got. Yes. It's in a box. It's too big for the camera. So, let's just open this bugger up. Ambra. Oh, when you open the box, very disappointing. It's like a really old laptop. I'll assume there's no power at all. It's absolutely, apart from the yellowing, a little bit of yellow in keyboard, and on the back there is absolutely mint. Joy said she was just collecting it, just left it, what she used to use for work. Oh wow, I didn't realise I've got the floppy on the side as well. Yeah, that'll be yet another strip down video. As I got donations from Mike and a few PCs. An old Acer one. Do like this one. Get into shot properly. So much stuff on this. Don't even know the age, but I'll get into it and figure out what's what. Even if it works, I don't know. It's a pretty cool looking machine. For its age, even HDMI. It can't be that old. Probably as old as I am. Don't know. Loads of goodies. Mike give me 3 laptops. The biggest thing he gave me. Good God. Yes, the screen's gone beige. And the screen's rolling. This won't fit on, not without taking the camera off. So let's have a quick go without the camera on. See the compact workstation. Look at the size of this thing. Pentium 3. Oh, I used to die for a Pentium 3 back in the day. Ooh, grimy. I mean, good lord. If you look at that. That's a video in itself, I think, stripping that down. Got them from an old Dell Dimension 9200 and an old E-Machine 740. And there was also tons and tons of bits he gave me. A load of hard drives. I'm not even doing anything with these. Bag in there with another laptop. There's another laptop up here. Let's get this one on. Get this one open. It's Toshiba satellite. I mean, these are just people have just stored in the garage. Just didn't bother with, so these will be content to do videos on. Anyway, for a startup video, that's not too bad, I don't think. So we'll see what I can find, and I'll get back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.